Today we got here another knife from Jufule, AliExpress knife reseller and counterfeit manufacturer. Actually, this is a C234 Amalgam counterfeit copy. It is really nicely made. It has G10 handles. This is the main difference from the original, where original had G10 laminated with carbon fiber. Here you may see that liners, they are skeletonized with drilled holes. Here we go. Knife weighs only 121.5 grams. Scales are smooth. Texture, grip is very nice. Not too aggressive. Very comfortable to hold in hand. It doesn't slip. The only negative here is with a clip. Where I can't compare it to original, but here seems that the shape of the clip was lost, and this part should be raised a little bit more to clip it to the pocket more easily. The blade on this knife is actually not what it's stated here. Of course, no CPM S30V. Here we have 8 chrome 13, sorry, MOV steel, Chinese steel, which is not so bad. It's budget steel, but for counterfeit, that's okay. It has ball bearing system. Ball bearings are caged in some colored metal cage, like on original, the same locking system, which is working very well. It took 15-20 minutes to get used to this locking flipper combo, and from the original reviews I have seen that a lot of people were complaining about this, but in my opinion that's not an issue. You just need to get used to it, but from the safety point it's a huge improvement that you don't have to place your fingers under a blade when closing the knife. Here you may see how the internals are processed. It has one back stopper here, and another one is here. You may see part of it through this hole. It's inside the blade itself, integrated. On original reviews I have seen many reviewers complaining that detent was too weak and knife blade was falling itself down. That's not gonna happen here. We have improved this, and of course that it's not original. You may see from logo, where on original they are laser engraved, and here it's like printed or so. I think that it might be quite easy to sand it and to leave the knife without any logos at all. Overall, this knife might be a good alternative for those with a tight budget and wanting to have a really nicely designed knife, or for those who probably even have original one or want to get one and they are afraid to use it in real life conditions because of really high value original knife, and this one could be carried around for any cutting tasks. You can cut anything you want, and even after you break it or whatever happens to it, you may just throw it away. That's it. So now for the end, some size comparison. Here we have Opinel number 10. Or Opinel number 8. Or even smaller, EDC standard Ontario Model 2, Ontario Rat Model 2 actually. So in my opinion, this knife might seem big enough, but for a normally sized hand, I'm wearing L-sized gloves. This is just right working knife.